In this video, we will be learning about stratosphere, the topic stratosphere from geography, class 7. So I am giving the complete video.
Right below the stratosphere, the next higher layer above the stratosphere is the mesosphere. The bottom of the stratosphere is around 10 km, 6.2 miles or about 33,000 feet above the ground at middle latitudes. The top of the stratosphere occurs at an altitude of 50 km, 31 miles. The stratosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere as you go upward. The troposphere, the lowest layer, is right below the stratosphere. The next higher layer above the stratosphere is the mesosphere. The stratosphere is located directly above the troposphere. This is where the ozone layer is, the layer made of layers. Above the troposphere and below the mesosphere, we have the stratosphere. Strat means layer. This layer of our atmosphere has its own set of layers. There are no storms or turbulence here to mix up the air. So cold, heavy air is at the bottom and warm, light air is at the top. That's the opposite of how the layers work in the troposphere where we live. If you were to climb a mountain in the stratosphere, you will have to take off your warm clothes as you got closer to the top rather than putting them on like we usually do. But there are no mountains high enough to reach the stratosphere, so you don't have to worry about that. This layer is 22 miles 35 km thick. The stratosphere is where you will find the very important ozone layer. The ozone layer helps us to protect from the ultraviolet radiation UV from the sun. In fact, the ozone layer absorbs the most ultraviolet radiation the sun sends to us. Life as we know it wouldn't be possible without this layer of protection. What does the stratosphere do? The stratosphere is where you will find the important ozone layer. The ozone layer helps protect us from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. In fact, the ozone layer absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation the sun sends to us.